can see him right there. You see him? He's still standing right there.
Oh, see the ones in the tree. Start shooting. Yeah, they'll let you shoot a lot with the 22.
See, hold still.
My kill.
That's yours, buddy. There you go. Hey, Nathan, high five. Oh, here's the one I got. Yeah, we did it. Good job, buddy. A shotgun and a 22 are a deadly combo with hunting ptarmigan. If you see them on the ground, the guy with the 22 scope can try to pick them off, and if they start to fly, the shotgun can get them. All right, our bags are getting full. Oh, the weather